Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Minifig Club. This is for the month of June. And this will include 10 minifigure parts, an accessory pack, a piece of the month, some stickers and other goodies. So I'm just gonna dump everything out. And I have my son here. This is actually his subscription. So we get a sticker that matches the bag, and then we have a little magnet for our fridge, and it has a hiker guy on it. Cute. And then they do have a Facebook page, and they do little contests so you can win stuff. You also get a postcard. That's cute. And a bookmark. It says take a hike. And where's our little sticker? I don't see the sticker. I don't see the little sticker that goes on our postcard, unless it's in the bag. I don't think it normally is, but when you fill up that postcard, you get a free item. So this is our accessory of the month.
I want to see what it is.
I know, let me pull it out here. So it's a bottom piece, and
dress.
Yeah, it's like a dress, and it looks like little lace, little frillies on there. That's pretty cool. So we have that. We're gonna look at the people first. The minifigure accessories. Oh, they stacked the heads this time. That's cute. It's a good idea. So we have a couple body pieces. This one has some gold print on it. Also have a little uniform. Some feet, plain red, plain blue, and then a plain black one. This one looks a little vintage, like a sailor top. And then the heads we got. So, little hair, mustache, concerned look. And then one of them has a double face on the back. So those are our pieces. And then we're going to look at the accessory pack. Take a look. Oh, lots of stuff. So, there is a body piece. It's pretty interesting looking. Flame. A carrot. We have a couple of those from our little snowman, I think, advent calendars. We have a helmet.
Nice.
Yeah. And then we have a blue baseball cap. Oh, this is cool. I don't know that we have one of those. Not a chainsaw. I'm trying to think what that's called. It's escaping me, but that's pretty neat. Then we have a pink coffee mug.
Spring.
Cute. A little umbrella. I don't think I've seen that one either.
Me.
Did that penguin from the Batman set maybe have that, I bet? I don't know. Gotten a couple of those before. Then we have a little weapon. And then this little thing. Very cool. So that's what we got for the month of June. I will email them about the sticker, see what they say, because I don't see it and I didn't see it inside the bag. But I like this subscription. It's only $10.99 a year if you sign up for a yearly subscription, which I do. Otherwise, it's $12.99 a month and free shipping. So I think it's a pretty good deal. They are official Lego pieces, which is a huge deal if you're a Lego collector. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.